Hi, welcome to Happy Living. Keep smiling and stay happy. Today, in our cooking series, we are going to see Andhra style rich gourd chutney. Four tablespoons groundnut oil, 1.5 tablespoon Chana Dal or Bengal Gram Dal, 1 tablespoon Jeera, 1.5 tablespoon Coriander or Daniya Seeds, 2 tablespoons Seasme, 4 Green Chillies, 250 grams of chopped rich gourd, 5 garlic cloves, half lemon sized tamarind, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon salt, coriander leaves to garnish, and 10 curry leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of Urad Dal, and 2 dry red chilli. Add the Bengal Gram Dal to 2 tablespoons of groundnut oil in a pan or a kadai. Add 1.5 tablespoon of coriander or the Daniya seeds and fry well. Add 3/4 tablespoon of Jeera. Add 2 tablespoons of Seasme seeds and fry well. Add 4 green chillies, each cut into half. Now add the rich gourd pieces and fry well. Add the small lemon-sized tamarind. Add coriander leaves. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix well. Add the garlic cloves. These garlic cloves can also be added while adding green chillies. Sprinkle little water for the veggie to get cooked. Close lid to cook the veggie. Now grind this in a mixer to chutney consistency. Add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds to 2 tablespoons of groundnut oil. Add 1/4 teaspoon of Urad Dal, little Chana Dal, 1/4 tablespoon of Jeera, 2 dry red chilli cut into half. Add curry leaves. Now transfer this to the chutney and mix well. Now the dish is ready. Serve hot. The recipe is available at the description below. You can now follow us at Instagram as happyliving.latashravan. Thank you. See you soon with another delicious dish. Until then, it's your Lata Shravan signing off.